Welcome back to the Tutorial Lab. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a stunning Islamic logo in Canva, step by step. Whether you're designing for a brand, a community project, or simply want to learn, this tutorial will guide you through the process. And the best part? You don't need any design experience to get started. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button in the top right corner and select Logo. This will open a blank canvas, perfectly sized for logos. Or you can edit an existing design for yourself. Search for Islamic logo. Select any design to edit. If you're using free Canvas software, then search free logos. When you find your desired logo, then edit the logo. Add some Islamic symbols. Canva has plenty of free elements that you can use. Simply drag and drop the ones that resonate with your design onto your canvas. You can adjust their size and color to match your vision. Next up is color. Islamic logos often feature green, gold, or blue, which holds symbolic meaning in Islamic culture. You can use the color picker in Canva to change the color of your symbols and background. Try using a combination of gold and green for a more traditional look, or experiment with blues and whites for something more modern and clean. Let's add some text to our logo. Choose a font that is elegant but easy to read. Canva has a great selection of fonts. Search for something simple but meaningful. You can adjust the font size, spacing, and alignment until it feels balanced. Once you're happy with your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose PNG for a high-quality file, and your Islamic logo is ready to go. And there you have it, a beautiful, custom Islamic logo created entirely in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might find it useful, and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more design tutorials. I challenge you to try this out yourself and create your own unique Islamic logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.